Normally, Word fills a page with content and then starts a new page when it needs to. Sometimes the page breaks might not be where you want them. For example, you might want to keep text with a graphic or start a page with a heading. You can control exactly where one page ends and the next begins. When you want the page to break at a specific point, just put your cursor in front of the paragraph that you want to push to the next page. Then press Ctrl-Enter. Word inserts a page break. Let's take a look at how to find page breaks in case you want to delete them. It's easier to see the page breaks when you show hidden characters. To do that, I'm going to select Home and then select this paragraph mark, which toggles between showing and hiding hidden characters. Now I can see paragraph marks at the end of each paragraph and this dotted line showing my page break. I'm going to select that page break and delete it. And I'm going to delete the extra paragraph it leaves, too. Here's another way to insert a page break if you prefer to use menus. Select Insert, and then Page Break. Now I'll hide hidden characters again. And you can see that page break I just added in front of this heading 1. But really, I always want my heading 1s to start on a new page, and I don't want to go find them all. So I'm going to make the page break part of the heading 1 paragraph's style, just like the font color is part of its style. To make sure heading 1 is always at the top of a page, I start in the Styles list. I'll select the heading 1 style, the arrow, and then Modify. Now I'll select Format, and then Paragraph, and then Line and Page Breaks. I'm choosing Page Break Before so that my heading 1s always start on a fresh page. I just want to point out some other options that may come in handy. Widow-orphan control ensures I never have a single line alone at the beginning or end of a page. Keep with Next keeps the entire paragraph on the same page as the next paragraph. I use this one to keep things like tables and their titles together, or figures and their captions. And Keep Lines Together ensures that the page never breaks in the middle of a paragraph. You'll often find that Word breaks your pages just fine, and you don't need to do anything. But if you do want to make changes, you'll find Word gives you all the control you need to add or avoid page breaks.